fantastic. And
I'm just admiring myself. Oh, sorry, I'm doing the video. I'm trying to compete with this comedian in here. I'm just admiring myself. Oh no, we've actually got a keep trying here. Right, so Troy's just put one ultra hold, and he just puts it right on the end and cuts the angle out because he's been doing it a very long time.
So once you get used to it, it becomes second nature. But it's always harder the first few times.
It's a bit tricky, but we teach you that. Good job, all the way around.
Right, so you can see well, you can't see, but I have blended in all around the back and sides now. So what I'm going to do is just going to put a bit of conditioner in. And then I'm going to pick up some layers through the back. Chip them through, give it some texture. You can hear the other side is banging around like that. And then what I'm going to do now, I'm going to go all the way through, and when I get to the front section, I'm going to ask James roughly how long he wants it, put a baseline and cut through that as well. Yeah. Right, so we've got some base length in it now, so what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go through, chipping into it, giving it a lot more texture. God, I'm melting. It is so hot this week. Jesus Christ. I said that, and people are probably seeing this, it's probably raining near, believe me, but it's like 30 odd degrees and I'm
rain outside now, is it?
Well, yeah, I think it's just started, so. Alright, you need to grasp me right up. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to keep going through, keep adding texture, chipping into it, giving it a bit of texture through the middle sections and through the fringe, and then at the end of the minute, we'll show you the end. So there we go, that's all finished. Just want to show you the blend's a bit difficult to walk round. But there you go, all sorted for another year.